class, except when actively eating
Hey
or
everybody,
drinking
today we are
non-stationary.
in City Walk. We're going to
Guests
walk
that do not
into
comply
Islands
have been
of
required to
Adventure,
exit the resort.
and
Wash your hands often
we
and
are
thoroughly.
going
Cover your
to
mouth and nose when coughing.
stay until closing today. So I'm excited, I really want to go, and I'll go back to Universal so we can watch the laser light show on the fountains there. I haven't seen it since we moved here in November. So that is what we're going to do today. We're going to see maybe some shows, ride some rides, and check out the crowd levels today so far in City Walk walking in. It looks busy. So come join us today. If you are new to this channel, we post videos on here about different locations around Orlando, around Universal, and Islands of Adventure, water parks, and things that you can do with your family. So let's go have some fun. And the adventure begins. We made it in to Islands of Adventure, and as we are walking to meet up with some people, I thought I would give you a little update. I got my first shot of the vaccine today, so I'm pretty excited about that. I got the Pfizer vaccine, and then in 3 weeks I will get my second dose, and I'm just excited about that. So that's something to celebrate. Braden already got his Pfizer vaccine way back in January, so now we just had to get me, and we're good to go now. So I'm excited about that, to share that news with you. So let's go in here today and enjoy the evening together. To celebrate. It was so much fun. My favorite all-time ride here at Islands of Adventure, the Hulk. Hi guys, so I just wanted to give you a little bit of information just in case somebody in your party, when you come to Universal or Islands of Adventure, may get hurt for some reason. Someone in our party just fell and she scraped her knees on the sidewalk here, and we're gonna try to tough it out and walk to the next ride. But I looked over and I saw a worker here, and I was going to ask her where the nearest first aid was so that we could get her a band-aid, and she actually had a first aid kit with her. So she had it on a little backpack, all kinds of first aid materials with her, and fixed her right up. So that's something that I didn't know. Walking around the parks, there will be people carrying first aid kits. So you just have to look for them. I guess I haven't noticed it before because we didn't have any entries. But that's something really good to know. And since I'm feeling a little bit superhero-y today, we are now going to ride Spiderman. 25-minute wait. over, so we are going to get in line right now for the whole chicken. It is a 45-minute wait right now. It is Zoom Live. So, we're gonna go put our stuff in the locker and get in line.
Alright, let's go.
We decided to go to Toothsome Chocolate Factory for some milkshakes and to celebrate Owen's upcoming birthday. Oh yeah, so this is Owen's birthday milkshake. Don't pick it up.
No.
Sprinkles, birthday cake, more sprinkles, all kinds of yummy goodness ice cream. And then we also got the mint chocolate chip. I guess that's what it's called.
It's for me.
It's for Nadia. She loves this cookie so much, so delicious. And then ice cream all in here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Owen. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Is it yummy?
I'll take it.
This is cookies and cream. Deliciousness. And over here we have, oh my goodness, chocolate covered strawberry cheesecake. Yum, yum. And we have marshmallow over here with a Rice Krispie treat. They all look so delicious. And these cups you are able to keep. And they said do not put them in the dishwasher because they will melt. And now it's your family time.